Good morning and first warm welcome to all the friends. Thanks to organizer of this event, Dr. Nilofar Desai, who provide the opportunity to share my knowledge with you. At the end of this webinar, organizer team will be provided whole PPT with ready-made chart of calculated anesthetic protocol as per the body weight and nicely prepared anesthetic album to your email account. So don't worry about the material. Now start the webinar on canine anesthesia under the field condition. Canine anesthesia is a vast topic and it is impossible to cover each and every part. This webinar is totally on practical approach, so no cover the mechanism of actions of anesthetic drugs and how it's work. Dear friends, why I have selected this topic for webinar? Now start xylazine and ketamine. What? Diazepam and ketamine. This most commonly used anesthetic protocol in canine under the field condition, which face many complications by our field veterinarians. On other hand, the latest anesthetic drugs and techniques introduced in veterinary anesthesia at the institute level. So it indicates very big gap between the field and institute level regarding the use of these anesthetic protocols. Through this webinar, I will try to fill this gap, and I hope this webinar is helpful for replacement of these old combinations with this new combination of the drug. Xylazine. So this slide shows the brief summary regarding the participant response received by the Google registration form, and large number of the participants from India and abroad shown interest and registered. One more important point received from our participant: all three type of the anesthetic method used or preferred by the canine practitioner. So this slide shows. So everybody know that veterinary medicine has often lagged behind the human medicine. Any new things, the first introduced in human medical field, then enter into the veterinary fields, like ophthalmic surgery, cardiac surgery, and orthopedic surgeries. Many more examples is there. However, the modern veterinary anesthesia utilize the many of the drugs and methods which are utilized in human anesthesia. So this is a proud moment for us. So now come on the seminar topic. The term anesthesia derived from the Greek word, and description of the anesthesia is very simple, means the loss of the sensations to the entire or any part of the body. So it's basic requirement to the most of the surgical interventions, both in the human as well as in the animals. So pain is a main fear factor regarding surgical interventions in human patients. An anesthesiologist can abolish the pain reflexes in the form of the analgesia in association with amnesis, unconsciousness, and muscle relaxations. These are the characteristics of the general anesthesia, which can be fulfilled by using the different anesthetic methods and drugs. So surgeons can perform successful surgical interventions with the maximum concentrations after complete anesthesia the patients. Then finally, the surgeons can start the surgery, means surgical interventions, after positive signal received from the anesthesiologist. So now come on the duty of surgeons in humans and veterinary professions is quite different. In our veterinary field, the duty of the surgeons and responsibility of the anesthesiologist, both the duties are very well performed by the single man of our field veterinarian. So this is one of the biggest limitations in our field. So that's why the basic the knowledge of anesthesia is not sufficient for the veterinary surgeons. So to improve our skills regarding the administration of the anesthetic drugs, and also develop the eagle's eye for the sharp monitoring of the patient during the surgical interventions. So everybody agree with me? Veterinary medicine depends more on anesthesia than human medicines. So many clinical procedures like oral cavity examinations, radiographic examinations, and inspection of the ear canal, generally no need to anesthetize the human patients. and cooperative very well to the clinicians. So just imagine our furious animal. So anesthetize the canine patient is our routine clinical activity. It's due to the uncooperative nature of our patients. And hardly the 1 or 2 minutes works require the general anesthesia in canine patients. And the story of the wild animals are totally different. Even for the collection of the blood in simple wound dressings require the anesthesia. So this slide justifies the importance of the anesthesia in our field. Mainly the two type of the clinical activity performed in our clinics. One is the minor clinical procedures and other is the major clinical procedures.